Hello, students. This is your English instructor, Jahan Zaib, and once again, I'm here with another interesting video on speaking skills. Dear students, you have so many things to say, but your mother tongue doesn't let you to do that. What's speaking, and what are some of the differences between spoken English and written English? In this video, we'll try to discuss these questions. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Dear students, speaking is the set of sounds that come out of our mouth. Then there is a channel or medium that connects a listener with a speaker. Students, have you realized that what's the biggest mistake that you make while speaking? You confuse spoken English with written English. As a matter of fact, these two are pretty much different. Spoken English is oral, whereas written English is visual. Spoken English is temporary, whereas written English is permanent. Now, temporary means something that fades away, whereas permanent means something that stays there forever. In spoken English, you have stress, rhythm, and intonation. On the other hand, in written English, you have punctuation. In spoken English, you don't have the comfort of planning, editing, and revision. Whereas in writing, you are fortunate enough to have unlimited time for planning, editing, and revision. So, this is the end of this lecture. I hope to catch up with you in my next video. That's coming soon. So, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified about my new videos.